everyone, this is Jamo. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we'll be doing makeup tutorial on this makeup look. I would call this soft metallic look or wedding makeup look. Every time I do makeup, people usually request this particular makeup. A little bit of sparkle, a little bit of cut crease, and a little bit of pink and rosy colors, basically wedding makeup. I know a lot of people likes it, so I thought you would like it too. So if you're interested in, keep on watching. Let's do it! Ta-da! So I did my complexion and my eyebrows and a little bit of lip liner, unless it would look super weird, super white. So what we need for the eyes? We need eyeshadow palette. It's an I Love palette by Sephora collection. It's called Light Warm Eyeshadow Palette. I'm gonna start with this one all over the eyelid. What I like about this eyeshadow palette, I think this is like a basic eyeshadow palette, fits to everyone, and we have a lot of this one because we're gonna use a lot of this. I'm gonna apply this all over my eyelid, all the way, even eyebrows. Give a little nice canvas. Second color we're gonna apply, it's a taupe color. With number 27 eyeshadow brush from Sephora collection, I will apply this mostly on the crease and outer corner. But first I want to start from outer corner like this. Basically aiming towards the end of my eyebrows. And then from here I'm going to blend toward my crease. With the brush you can try to feel the actual bone and try to blend it towards like this. So now we determined where the outer corner, where the creases are. So you can kind of see what's going on instead of just seeing this flat one color. So the next one I'm going to apply with a small brush this next color. It's more darker chocolate color. I'm going to go over the same areas, which is lash line, blending towards the outer corner of my eyebrows. Since it's a more darker color, now you see more contrast. So here you need to be careful. Don't apply too much, otherwise it's gonna be too dark. With the same small brush, I'm gonna apply under eyes. The next step, you need very steady hands and patience and practice. We're gonna use Giorgio Armani Eye Tint number 34. This one is beautiful. I like to do more like a cut crease with this, and what is nice, you don't have to do cut crease right before. It has a really nice tip. It does it for you already. Beautiful. I'm gonna do eyeliner. That's why I'm like skipping this area so I don't waste the product. So let's do the second side. So here's another thing. This is kind of like Asian thing, almost like a Korean brand. I mean Korean trend. So what I like to do, I like to take a little bit of this, the same thing. I'm gonna apply more like in the center of my under eyes. Going back to the same palette from Sephora collection, this in the center color is very similar what I applied on my eyes, on my eyelid. So I'm going to apply the same color but inner corner just a little bit, so it supports the look. So the next I'm going to apply eyeliner. So here's the thing, every time I apply eyeliner, I usually go back and reapply my outer corner eyeshadow, because with eyeliner I can kind of see better. So I'm going to go back to this color with a small brush, and then I'm just going to reapply the colors so it looks more defined. So the next I'm going to apply mascara by Beauty. This one is volumizing, uplifting, super volumizing mascara. So I'm going to go. So then I want to apply the KVD Beauty Vegan False Lashes. So next I'm gonna apply Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder Highlighter. I'm gonna apply this on one side. I like to apply this almost like for entire apple, because whenever I apply blush over it, my blush is gonna look more luminous too. For the blush, I'm gonna use Patrick Ta. She's That Girl. I love this blush lately, so pretty. Makes your makeup super fresh looking. Alright, that's about it. Thank you so much you guys for watching the video till the end. This makeup look is perfect for everyone because it's more like glamorous wedding makeup, I would say. So if you liked it, thumbs up on this video. All the products I use, it's in the description box. Check it out and I'll see you guys on my next one. Mwah. Bye!